Vlog na ko. Pila ang mga kasinira. What's in the vlog? Ako pa vlog. Wala pa ako sa subscriber.
Think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure what saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an X-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel pain pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I can walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. All I need are some
Let me show my...
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also wanna be where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no,
Ay,
it's
my
living with
love,
no
video.
shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on
Mami
Sundays.
beer.
I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Ha?
Are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray.
Basig hilaw pa. Okay na na, lab.
vlog yung ako atong nadabalan ba?
Ha?
First in pintatagan.
To a place where I felt at home.
Ay, no.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on. I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people
Sige, di ba
putting up
nag-anak ka
walls.
sa
I feel
kuana?
like life is a ball. Perception stuck in a fall. I know the time can be long, but how much time to fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find it out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a